Now to the big question on a lot of people's minds amid the pandemic. When and how will people be able to get back to work? Well, today the governors of New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut joined the governors of Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, and Delaware today in announcing that they are working together on a plan to reopen. They say a coordinated strategy is important so one state's actions do not inadvertently undermine neighboring states. Health and economic officials from the 6 states will study data and experiences of other countries to come up with coordinated regional guidelines going forward. Governor Cuomo says the group is expected to release a final plan within weeks. The 6 states currently account for half of the confirmed COVID-19 cases in the entire country.
For years, Governor Cuomo has tinkered under the hood of his prized Pontiac GTO, so he can be forgiven if he sees restarting the economy in car terms, gears working in tandem. He says restarting the economy goes hand in hand with opening schools and reopening the transportation system to previous levels.
You want to start turning one gear. They all intermesh. You have to turn the other 2 gears. You can't tell me go back to work in New York City if you don't have the transit system operating. Unless you want everyone to drive, which will be pandemonium in 4 minutes.
Getting the transportation system back to normal will take a while because the MTA has been hard hit by COVID-19. Acting Transit Authority President Sarah Feinberg.
Again, I have thousands and thousands of people who are in quarantine. I have thousands of people who have tested positive. And I have more than 50 colleagues who have died. So we're not going back to normal service right now. I would love for the economy to get going again. I would love a return to normalcy, but that is not where we are right now.
Governor Cuomo says reopening the economy will require a delicate balance between keeping people healthy and recalibrating what jobs are essential.
Do it carefully, do it slowly, and do it intelligently. And while you're opening that valve, watch the meter. What's the meter? The meter is the infection rate.
I asked Mayor de Blasio about restarting the economy. There's a big fear that if we don't get businesses open soon, you may have widespread business failure in New York City. How do we get to the point where we can do it so that we have, both healthy New Yorkers and a healthy economy?
To save those businesses, we actually have to get the healthcare part of this right. And Marcia, I don't think that means forever. I think that means doing it right for, weeks or a few months.
In the meantime, local officials are asking the federal government for a new bailout plan to help small businesses. I'm Marcia Kramer, CBS 2 News.